Hi guys! So for today's video, me and my friends are going shopping, but we have to buy our items within a certain limit. And those limits were the answers from the given that we've made.
This video will contain tutorials on how we solved our limits. So let's get started.
Ito po yung list namin. Ayan. So, for the first item, we've chose this Bingo Minis that costed 9 pesos. Since our limit was 9.
But wait, how did we solve for our limits?
We have the limit of c as x approaches a is equals to c, where c is a constant. The limit of our constant as x approaches a, which is any number that is equals to the constant. So we have the limit of 9 as x approaches 3. That is equals to our constant here is 9.
So that's how we got our limit, and that's how you solve theorem number 1. So let's move on to theorem number 2.
So for the next item, we've chose this UP Jumbo Sandwich Gummy that costed us 49 pesos.
And this is how we solve for theorem number 2.
So we have here limit of x as x approaches a is equals to a. We have limit of x as x approaches 49. So the final answer will be 49, which is the a itself.
So for our third item, we chose this 2 Absolute Drinking Water that cost 27.50 pesos each, since we couldn't find any other items in the store that costed 55 pesos exactly. And this is how we solve theorem number 3.
What is theorem 3? Limit fx as x approaches a is equals a. Limit gx as x approaches a is b. How to solve theorem 3? Limit fx as x approaches a plus limit gx as x approaches a is equals to a plus b. For a better understanding, here's an example. Limit 5 squared as x approaches 5 plus limit 6x as x approaches 5. We'll replace x to 5 and solve 5 squared is 25 and 6 times 5 is 30 plus 30 equals 55.
So for our fourth item in theorem 4, we bought this Choco Mucho that costed us 8 pesos since our limit is equals to 8. And this is our example.
We can use limit of quantity of f of x plus g of x as x approaches a is equals to L plus M, or limit of quantity of f of x plus g of x as x approaches a is equals to L minus M. So we have limit of 3x plus 5 as x approaches 1. So we have limit of 3x plus limit of 5 as x approaches 1. As we use the theorem number 3, we will get 3 times limit of x as x approaches 1 plus 5. And as we use the theorem number 2, we will have the 1. So 3 times 1 plus 5. So we will get 3 plus 5. So the final answer will be 8.
And for our fifth item and theorem 5, we bought this Korean whitening soap that is 50 pesos since our limit is 50. And this is our example.
What is theorem 5? limit fx as x approaches a is equals to a, limit gx x approaches to a is equals to b. How to solve Theorem 5? Limit fx over gx as x approaches a is equals to limit fx as x approaches a over limit gx as x approaches a is equals to a over b. Theorem number 5. Limit x squared over 2 as x approaches 10 equals limit 10 squared as x approaches 10 is equals to limit 2 as x approaches 10 is equals to 100 over 2, and we'll get 50.
And for our last theorem, which is Theorem 7, we can't actually buy something that is 1/2. So here's our tutorial on how we solved for it.
So this is how you solve Theorem 7. Limit x squared minus 2x plus 5 over 2x squared plus 8 as x approaches infinity. All we have to do is distribute the highest exponent.
Bakit kailangan gawin yun?
Ayun kasi sabi ni Sir Leo, ano ba? So, yung x squared magiging x squared over x squared. Yung 2x magiging 2x over x squared. Tapos yung 5...
Oh, akala ko ba 5? Ba't 8 nakalagay dyan?
Ito na nga, pinapalitan na. So, 5 over x squared. Tapos, yung 2x squared magiging 2x squared over x squared. And then yung 8 magiging 8 over x squared. So, lahat na may mga over na ganyan, ang magiging value na niya is 0.
Bakit 0 na? Ang haba-haba ng given natin, tas magiging 0 la.
Kasi ayun nga yung rule. So, since 0 na yung value niya, ika-cancel na natin siya.
Ano ba yan? Ika-cancel lang pa.
Manahimik ka nga, lago tayo kay sir. So, ito, cancel. Ito din, cancel. And of course, ito din, cancel. Pero dito, may matitirang 2, pero cancel natin yung x squared. Pero, ito, may matitira siyang 1. May value siyang 1. So, proceed tayo sa next step. Ayan, ilagay na natin lahat ng value nila. 1 minus 0 plus 0 over 2 plus 0. So, ang sagot na niya is...
1/2 lang yun. Dami-daming ginawa. 1/2 lang yun. Sa haba ng ginawa natin, 1/2. We actually had a lot of fun making this beta. And thank you for watching.